excretory system. This excretory system is very important in animal body, and this excretory system mainly help in removal of toxicants from the body. And toxicants of nitrogenous waste are mainly developed during the protein metabolism. On the basis of type of excretory substance, animals are divided into different groups. Some animals remove amino acids, excess amino acids as excretory substance, and these animals are called aminotelic. And the main animals in this group are members of Echinodermata. And the other animals mainly synthesized ammonia by a process known as deamination, and the animals which excrete ammonia are called ammonotelic animals, ammonotelic excretion, and these are mainly aquatic mammals, aquatic invertebrates, which may be freshwater or marine water. And many of the other animals use this ammonia and synthesize the urea by a urea cycle. And those animals which excrete urea are called ureotelic animals, and it includes mammals, turtles, and adult amphibians. But some animals remove excretory substance as uric acid, and these are known as uricotelic animals. And in this group, the main animals are birds, insects, and reptiles. So be clear that there are many type of MCQ questions according to aminotelic, ammonotelic, ureotelic or uricotelic excretion. Now we will discuss about the excretory system of human beings, which mainly consists of one pair of kidney, one pair of ureter, and a urinary bladder. After the bladder, the excretory system, the system is different in male and female. Today we will discuss first of all the structure of a basic kidney, which are one pair in human beings, and these kidney are generally bean shaped in structure, and the kidney is basically divided into two different parts, which is named or tagged as outer part is renal cortex, which is tagged, and the inner part of kidney is renal medulla. Majority of part of nephron is located in cortical part, and the Henle loop, which is a very large structure, is mainly located in the medulla of the kidney. These nephrons are present in millions in the kidney, and these nephron is the blood filtering unit which mainly help in urine formation. And these nephron mainly help in urine formation. And when you know how the urine formation occur, first of all we know the structure of nephron. Structure of nephron is very clear because these nephron are nothing but a tube-like structure, and each nephron begins with a cup-like structure known as Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule is very important part, and be clear, it is tagged as Bowman's capsule. And Bowman's capsule is a very important part of nephron, and there is a group of blood capillaries in the outer lumen of Bowman's capsule known as glomerulus, and this glomerulus is nothing but a group of blood capillary, and the blood entering in the nephron by afferent arteriole, leaving from the nephron by efferent arteriole, and this glomerulus and Bowman's capsule together known as Malpighian body or renal corpuscle. And after the glomerulus, after the Bowman's capsule, a very important part of nephron is present, which is a tube-like structure and known as PCT, proximal convoluted tubule, very important part of nephron. And after PCT, there is a U-shaped structure, which is a loop-like structure and very important part of nephron, and it is known as Henle's loop. This is Henle loop is mainly divided into two basic components. One is known as descending limb of Henle loop, and other is known as ascending limb of Henle loop. After the Henle loop, the next part of nephron is DCT, and DCT, the function of DCT is mainly hormonal control, and after the DCT there is a collecting duct which mainly collect the urine. And be clear, this collecting duct is not the part of nephron because there is a single collecting duct which collect urine from different nephrons in the kidney. And be clear, these nephrons have different parts like Malpighian body or renal corpuscle, PCT, DCT, ascending limb of Henle loop, descending limb of Henle loop, and these nephrons basically function filtering the blood, absorb the nutrients, concentrate the urine, collect urine. Please like, subscribe and share my video.